Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. I am Jazz and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello. And if you are a returning subscriber, I know it's been a minute. I hope that everybody is staying safe and healthy during these times. I have some old footage that I haven't gotten around to editing in many moons. So today I'm going to share with you some memories that I have from visiting home in Ontario. I live in Alberta, so it has been quite a while since I've gone home to Ontario, but this past September I went home and visited my family for a few weeks, and during that time I had met up with a new friend that I met at Shambhala that past summer, which, if any of you guys don't know, it's a music festival that happens here in BC. So yeah, these are those memories, and I thought that during this time it was really fun to reflect on past memories because there's not a whole lot going on right now. And with that being said, this is that kind of video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you soon.